Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can generate a Gmail password or Gmail app password so that we can send email securely from the backend applications like Spring Boot or Node.js. A reason of generating this app password is because Google no longer support or allow user to use their normal or Gmail password directly to connect with the SMTP in the backend services. So we have to first enable our two-factor authentication. Then there's the options to generate a 16-digit app password. So let's start with that. So first, you see, I am already logged in with one of my account, which is email address, and from here we can just Google it. So here we have to just search app password Gmail, and then you will see this is the second option, right? So just click on it, and then it will be raw. Okay, so it will ask for the password, so you have to enter your Gmail password. Okay, and you have to just press enter, and yeah, so it will directly route us to the app password section. But this section only works for those who have enabled two-factor authentication. So make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication. And after that, I want to generate a app password. So I'm just creating with the demo, and I will click on create. So you see, right? So this is the password which has been generated right now, and I can use this to send a mail to the from the backend services. So the email address, you have to use this one, and the password you can go with this one, and then you are able to send the mail. Okay, and in the description I will also going to provide you the link so you can refer directly. If I press enter, so it will just route us to directly to that page, so you can see here. So I will also going to provide you in the description, so just refer to that also. So yeah, this is all about how we can generate app password. If you have any questions, just put in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching.